South Korea makes history. The nation's parliament unanimously passes a law banning the dog meat industry. A 3-year grace period has been set, allowing businesses to adjust and register their closures. Animal rights advocates are celebrating this significant victory, as millions of dogs are expected to be saved from this industry annually. By 2027, anyone involved in breeding, butchering, distributing, or selling dog meat could face up to 3 years in jail or a fine of 30 million won, roughly $22,800. This landmark decision marks a new chapter in South Korea's animal rights movement. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.